Hey everyone, welcome to Flutter Coder In. In last video, we have seen that how we can integrate the Google AdMob in our application, which we are building using the Flutter framework, and we can display the banner ads on the screen. In this tutorial, or you can see the guide, we will be using same Google AdMob package to display the interstitial advertisement in our Flutter application. So banner ads are the type of the ads which we can showcase as the bottom banner or any place on the top of the screen or in between the list. And these interstitial advertisements are like the dialog, or we can see the full screen advertisements, which will be displayed when we are moving out of the screen or we are finishing a certain level or having a certain accessibility in our application. So continuing with our previous tutorial, for interstitial advertisement, again we need to first go to the Google AdMob, and for our created application for the separate and platforms like the Android and iOS, we need to create the different ad units. So as we have created the first banner ads over here, we need to create the interstitial ad units over here. Just give it a proper name, and once we create those ad units for both of our application for Android and iOS platform, we just need to copy this unit ID that will be used in the mobile application that we are having, and we will be just copying that for the ad helper class, which will be returning the interstitial ad. So let's create the another function that will be returning the interstitial advertisement ID, and here we will be using the taste interstitial advertisement IDs that I will be just copying from the different. Here I will be copying here. So that's for the Android, and for iOS we will be having this one. So these are for the testing purpose, for showcasing or displaying the ads on the simulator or while doing the development. When we are moving the application for the production, giving it for the release, we just need to use our actual ad unit IDs, which we can copy it from here, and we can just make use of it over here. So we will be just using the taste unit IDs as of now. We will be using the same class that we have used in last. So for this one, first of all, we need to create the interstitial advertisement instance. So first create the interstitial ad, declare the one particular variable, and in the init state we need to have the banner ads which are getting loaded, and we will be just using this method to load the interstitial advertisement. So interstitial ad dot load, we will be having the ad unit ID. So interstitial ad unit ID, we will be just need to create the ad request, and we will be having the callback. So that will be the interstitial ad callback, which will require two methods to get loaded. Let me just refresh this. Once the advertisement gets failed to load, let me just take this method over here, and we will be using this one. And once the ad gets loaded, we will be setting that as an advertisement. Now let me just restart our application. So here we are having that our application which is displaying the banner ads at the bottom. Now when starting this particular screen, this will be loading the interstitial advertisement and assigning it to the interstitial ad. What we can do here, that once this screen gets loaded, after that we will be just starting a time. Let's not think it is a timer of the periodic, but we will be having the seconds timer. Let's consider that is a 5 seconds, and then we will be just checking that digital ads been loaded or not, and we will be just having this call. Let me just restart this application. So this is how it will be loading the interstitial ads for our Flutter application. And for the demo perspective, we have just showcased that using the timer after the 5 second, how this will be gets loaded. So this is how we can manipulate or place anywhere in our applications when we are moving back from any of the screen, or our user is getting some privilege in our application. At that time, we can showcase such kind of advertisement. So these are the type of the interstitial advertisement that we can integrate and we can display for in our mobile applications. Next, in our video tutorial, we will be seeing that we will be going through how we can integrate and showcase the rewarded advertisement in our application. So stay tuned for that. And to learn the basic and the advanced concepts of the Flutter, just subscribe to this channel. Thank you.